Hi everyone, today we are going to check out a new electronic keypad smart lock from Smonet. This smart lock works with Android or iOS smartphones through Bluetooth. It can also connect to internet through the Wi-Fi gateway, but the Wi-Fi gateway is a separate purchase. The handle on this smart lock can be easily adjusted to face left or right side. This means the smart lock can be installed on either side of the door. The installation is pretty straightforward and can be done in less than 20 minutes by one person. In this video, I'm showing how to do the installation without a door so we can see the internal clearly. The inner and outer parts of this smart lock are mainly secured by 3 screws and their holders. We will need the doorknob hole to be 54mm or bigger to fit the bottom 2 screws. For the upper screw to go through, we will need to drill a hole on the door. A door latch is also included in the package in case you are not reusing the old one. There are 2 size reference cards in the package. In some cases, it's easier to put them on the door and do pre-drilling first. The door thickness should be between 38mm to 48mm for this smart lock. All the needed screws and tools are included in the package except the power drill. Other than the screws, we only need to connect one data cable from the inner part to the outer part. In the back plate, there is already a reserved opening for the data cable to go through. Once the outer smart lock and the back plate are installed, we just have to connect the data cable. This smart lock is powered by 4 AA batteries inside the body of the inner lock. The lock will also give out audio notification when the battery is low. Next, we will go through its smartphone app TT Lock. We can check real-time door lock status inside the app. We can also generate e-key or a temporary password for guests. IC card unlock and fingerprint unlock are set up in the app too. There is a handy lock unlock history report section in the app. However, keep in mind that some features such as IC card and fingerprint unlock does require the smartphone to be paired to set up. The interesting part is this smart lock supports a lot of different ways to unlock. I can use the smartphone app to unlock. I can also use my fingerprint or the IC card. If I prefer to unlock using a more conventional way, I can use the physical key or type in the passcodes. If the Wi-Fi gateway is available, I can also unlock using voice assistant such as Alexa or Google Assistant. Overall, I feel this Smonet smart lock offers a lot of features at a reasonable price. At the end, I hope this video has provided you some useful information. Please remember to subscribe my channel.